All right, so I'm out here in this beautiful afternoon here in the mountains of Costa Rica. I got the cows with me that are going to help me explain a little bit about crypto. But yeah, so we're talking about trading, guys. Something that you definitely need to understand when it comes to trading is that it's really all mental, right? People think that they need some kind of special indicators or special trading strategy, when in reality, it really comes down to your mind, to your mindset when it comes to trading. Once you've learned technical analysis, right? Once you've learned about trend lines, support and resistance, and all the all the tools, the array of tools that come with technical analysis, guys, what does it come down to? It's just your mind and how you react to certain trades. When you get into a trade, when to get out of it, your emotions get involved, and that is what kills traders, right? Especially when they're new. The first thing that they need to focus on is getting rid of their emotions. When you're gambling, that is where emotions come into play, right? Because when you're profitable, when you're making money, you're all excited, you're all happy. And then when you're taking losses, when you're on a bit of a loss streak, then you're sad, you're drinking a bit more, then you're spending more money, and it's just setting up for a total disaster. You need to treat trading like a business. You cannot look at it like gambling, right? And when I say look at it like gambling, I'm talking about emotions. You can't get excited when you're making money. You can't get sad when you're losing money. Taking wins and losses is part of the process. Obviously, when you're trading, your goal is to, win, right? But even top level, professional traders, they take losses. Very common, right? Sometimes they take more losses than they do wins, but when they win, they're looking at 20, 30, 40, 50% profit levels, and when they lose, they're only losing around 5 to 10%. Here's a good one for you guys. If you think that you're going to be a profitable trader, or if you think that you're going to be a non-profitable trader, either way, you're right. That is pretty deep and definitely very true. So once you've got your mindset right, once you've got all these nice and good things in your basket per se, or whatever you want to call it, once you're set, right, what does it come down to? Time. Guys, you're not going to become a profitable trader overnight. Nobody does that. Trading is just like any other profession. You got a doctor that needs 4, 5, 6 years of med school. You got a lawyer that needs 4, 5, 6 years of law school. You've got a football player that trains non-stop, right, for the NFL. It takes time, it takes effort. You need to put up the work. You need to learn the ins and outs of trading. You're not going to hop in and be a profitable trader overnight, right? From one day to another. You need time, weeks, months, years of experience to become a profitable trader. When you're getting into trading, you're going to try a strategy, right? So let's say you've got 6 indicators that you like to look at. Of those 6 indicators, they're all pointing bullish. You go ahead and take a long, okay? Whatever, the point is you establish yourself a strategy. You try that strategy over and over again. And if it ends up being a profitable strategy, way to go. You found yourself a profitable strategy. Now you just keep applying it, keep making those types of trades, and you will end up being a profitable trader. And in this learning curve, in this time period, you're going to try a bajillion different trading strategies, and you're going to lose and lose and lose and lose and lose over and over again until you find that winning strategy. And again, that does not come in a couple of days, in a couple of weeks, right? You cut that learning curve by investing in yourself, by buying a course, by listening to another profitable trader, by whatever, etc. That is how you cut the time of that learning curve. If you're hopping in, how we say pata pelao, if you've got, I can't really translate that to English, it sounds stupid, but my point is you're hopping in just, blindly into something, you're going to take a lot longer to go through that learning curve. If you've got the right resources, if you've invested into reading, your time into reading a book, taking courses, a mentor, whatever, then you're obviously going to cut that learning curve, that time period, a lot shorter. You can also look at time like experience, right? You need experience under your belt to end up becoming a profitable trader. And with experience, with time, you will eventually get what's known as a feel for the market, right? And that comes only with experience, only with time. But you'll get to the point where you can tell. You don't even have to look at the chart. You can just see from the previous days what it's been doing. You can tell if the market's going to be going up or if it's going to be going down. If the market's going to be going up, right? If cryptocurrencies are going up, if Bitcoin's going up, if everything's looking good, then taking trades will be a lot easier. But if Bitcoin's going down, if the market's a little iffy, if it's a risky time to trade in the market, don't trade, especially if you're a newer trader, because you don't want to be taking those losses. And I kid you not, top pro level traders, guys, they have so much, they'll just look at a chart and then don't even, well, I'm not going to say, well, they have their indicators, right? But they'll be able to look at a chart with their indicators and already know, all right, yeah, we're going up or we're going down. Or it's a little iffy. You know, it's just instinct. It's kind of like a basketball player, a football player, right? They've been in it for so long, they've been practicing for so long. When they see a player, when they see him move, they're just good at it because they've practiced it so much. Same thing applies to trading. And another huge one is risk management. Guys, risk management is key. It is so important, and it really has a lot to do with your psychology, with the psychology behind trading. Again, how you react emotionally, how you feel when you set up your trades. It has to do with a lot of things, but and there's also a lot more that goes into trading. I can't, sit here and make an hour-long video explaining all of the ins and outs of trading. If you want one-on-one mentorship with me, if you want to have a more in-depth, detailed explanation on trading, the psychology behind trading and all that, I have a Patreon. You can sign up for it. The link will be in the description below, and I recommend you wait until the first of the month to sign up to get the best value. Guys, please drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel with post notifications turned on, and comment down below your experience with trading. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.